Number 112. So number series 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 12. What is the next number? So kapag ganitong medyo marami yung numbers natin, lagi nyong itatry yung alternate na pattern. So i-rewrite ko lang 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12 and then another 12. What is the next number? So try nyo lagi kung alternate kasi medyo madami. So 3 naging 6, 6 naging 9, 9 naging 12. So mapapansin natin yung pattern dyan ay plus 3 lang lahat. 3 plus 3, 6. Plus 3, that is 9. Plus 3, that is 12. So yung next natin dito, yung pangalawa pa dito, hinahanap natin yung next. So kunin naman yun natin yung pattern dito sa taas. So we have 4, naging 8, naging 12. So ano yung next natin? So may common difference din. 4 naging 8, so that is plus 4. 8 naging 12, so plus 4. And then syempre yung 12, plus 4 din ito. So 12 plus 4, that is equal to 16. So ang next number natin ay letter E, 16. So pag meron pang next number na kinukuha dito, 12 plus 3, so yung next pa sa kanya ay 15. Okay? So follow for more.